Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. So we are less than 2 weeks away from the Galaxy Note 20 Unpacked event, but everything about the Note 20 Ultra has been leaked today, including the official renders, a 360-degree look and a detailed spec sheet that reveals a lot of surprises. First of all, even Plus shared this official 360-degree look of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, showcasing the device in mystic bronze from many angles. The front looks exactly like the Galaxy Note 10, but the punch-hole selfie camera is a little smaller. Also, the curved edges are similar to the Note 10 Plus, which will make it look aesthetically good. The official renders also have been leaked in bronze and black color option, which depicts the same thing. Now coming to the interesting part, a detailed official spec list of the Note 20 Ultra has been leaked, which shows the handset will offer many firsts in the smartphone world. First, Samsung has teamed up with Microsoft to bring an optimized cloud gaming on the Note 20 Ultra. This makes the Note 20 Ultra the first smartphone in the world to feature a special optimization for Microsoft's Project X cloud gaming service. Basically, the Note 20 Ultra can be used to play more than 90 Xbox gaming titles via Xbox Game Pass. Anyway, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will also be the first handset to offer the Gorilla Glass 7 protection. Corning hasn't put out any info about the Gorilla Glass 7, but it will be stronger than its predecessor. Coming to the camera, Samsung has just capped the zoom to 50x from 100x, but they have also used a new bigger sensor of 1.0 micron pixel size and has an 3.0 aperture. To solve the autofocus issue, Samsung has used dual pixel as well as the laser autofocus system. The storage solution will be 256GB as base and 512GB as top end. The base RAM is going to be 12GB with an option of 16GB as well. The latency of the S Pen is now 9 ms, exactly like the Apple Pencil, making it the fastest stylus on the planet. The screen size is 6.9-inch QHD Plus with 120Hz screen refresh rate and the aspect ratio of 19.3:9. Finally, it confirms the processor to be used in Europe and it's the same old Exynos 990. What's even worse is that they haven't overclocked it, meaning it can reach up to 2.7 GHz of top speed. In comparison, its counterpart the Snapdragon 865 Plus can reach up to 3.1 GHz of speed. Well, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.